Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. First thing I want to do, as always, is thank the channel members. Thank you all so much. And I want to welcome anybody who's new or who hadn't had a chance yet. If you're so inclined, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell notification icon next to it, and you'll be notified when I release new content like this unboxing that's getting ready to come out. But what we're going to do today is a quick unboxing of a order I placed with White Mountain Knives. And y'all remember, if you go to White Mountain Knives and you use the code JUHVON10, JUHVON 10, you will save 10%. The unboxing knife today will be the Grow EF225. All right, guys, let's see what we got here. This should be a pretty interesting one. If it turns out, it should be a really good value. I wonder what was so big. All right, get those peanuts out of the way. All right, guys, so what we have here is a Maxace. I'm gonna need my unboxing knife again. Guys, this here is the Maxace MEERKAT. I don't know if you can read that. I don't think it's gonna focus on it. But it's the Maxace MEERKAT M113 M13A gray handle. And this knife at White Mountain Knives was right under 160 bucks before discount. Look at that. It comes with a complete replacement set of hardware and a little cleaning cloth and the knife. And guys, I'm going to be honest with you. This knife reminded me in certain ways of the Black Mirror. The main certain way that it reminded me of the Black Mirror wasn't as much in the way that it looked. It was in the way that it was priced and the materials that it was priced with. So let's put this up in here, wherever that goes to next, which is kind of a joke to say because I'm a knife hoarder. All right. So guys, this is the Maxace MEERKAT. It is titanium with titanium blue hardware and accents. It's got an S90V, very unique blade. It does have a little branding here that I'm not super stoked about. MEERKAT CPM 90 S90V. Let's see if we can find some paper. Guys, I'm out of paper. But like most Maxaces that I've experienced, it is razor sharp. So guys, the Maxace MEERKAT, I bumped into this just by happenstance. I happened to be on White Mountain Knives looking, and I saw this little knife, and I was just curious by it. It's a smaller size knife. I've got a medium to large size hand. This isn't a review. This is just an overview, but just to give y'all a little tease of size, that is the Civivi Baby Banter. So I'm guessing it's about bug out size, maybe a little bit shorter than the bug out, but it's a liner lock. This on bearings. It's got the flipper hole deployment. You've got this interesting, no jimping, but you don't really need it. You've got this nice poon here that gives you great purchase on this knife. I think this would be a cutting machine. A little bit, hardy grind with a nice swedge up at the top. Kind of a droppy spear point. Real good access to the lock bar. It's not milled down, but it's jimped. So literally you can go right across that, right across this opening, and you pick up on that jimping. So lock up and unlocking, lock bar access that is very, very well, done very well. Centering's perfect. Again, I like the plain titanium. This is also available, and I'll link it below, in a darker gray titanium with the S90V blade. But again, guys, when we're seeing companies like Maxace, they sell a lot of really high-end, out-of-this-world stuff too, right? Some cool stuff. But then every now and then you'll see one of these knives come out, like the Black Mirror or like this MEERKAT, and I'm telling you, that's, to me, is a great value. If I'll have to do a review, see how the edge holds up, see how it cuts after putting it through more tests than I just did. But I can tell you it's a cool little knife. It has what seems like great action. I'm going to retire the Grow out of my pocket, and I'm going to start carrying this and see what I think about it. And then I promise you guys, I will be back in touch, and we will do a full review on the Maxace MEERKAT and CPM S90V. Leave me a comment if you guys like to. Let me know what you think. I think the blade's a little wonky, but it's not bothering me. I'm kind of digging it. I'm digging the look. I'm definitely digging the size, and I'm digging the action. And when I do a review, I'll have some full dimensions. I'll give you some size comparisons. I love the way the hole is designed, because it does not allow my finger to go any further in than it needs to get a reliable flick. So to me, that's a huge, huge bonus. All right, guys, that is the unboxing of the MEERKAT by Maxace. Hopefully we'll have another unboxing coming later today. FedEx is still out, so we'll keep our fingers crossed. But guys, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.